Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and doing great. Today we will discuss about 10 Figma plugins every designers must have. Okay, so first we will start with Autoflow. Autoflow is the best and easy tool to create a quick user flow. You can just create user flow in a wee bit of time by just creating shapes and connecting them. Okay, so this is useful for creating user flows. And the second plugin is Batch Styler. So Batch Styler lets you change many multiple colors and fonts at once. So this plugin will save a lot of time by changing the whole design system with a single click. Now coming to the third plugin that is very important, that is Zeplin. So Zeplin is an all-in-one handoff and organization tool. You can easily create user flows and organize your design files with variants to keep desktop, tablet and mobile screen in one place. Zeplin also auto-generates design tokens from colors and fonts from your design. Also Zeplin lets you upload all your design for the developers so they can just get all the specifications of your prototype of your screens, and they will get help while developing those screens. Okay, now coming to fourth one is Chart. So the Chart is a plugin for Figma that uses real random data to create the most popular chart. Okay, so Chart supports copy paste from editors like Excel, Numbers, Google Sheet, live connection with Google Sheet, remote JSON or local CSV or JSON files. Okay, so do try once Chart. Now coming to the fifth one. So fifth one is Content Reel. So Content Reel is one place where you can get everything, literally everything, from images to text, strings to icons to avatars. I use this plugin very often, and this plugin is created by Microsoft. This is the most important and time saving plugins for Figma, so must use. Content Reel is the name, so must try this plugin. Dark Mode Magic. So as the name suggests, this is crazy plugin we have in Figma. So Dark Mode Magic changes your light theme design, okay, to dark theme instantly with just one click. So though it doesn't optimize all the colors, but this plugin will help you a lot if you are converting a light theme design into a dark theme. So must use Dark Mode Magic plugin in Figma. Okay, so now coming to the seventh one is next plugin is Feather Icons. So Feather Icons is an icon library with some basic icons. This is really good plugin, though it has very less number of icons compared to other icon plugins, but yeah, definitely it's a useful one. So Feather Icon was the name. And the eighth one is Figma to HTML, CSS, React and more. So this is also like one of my favorite Figma plugin. You can convert any website to a Figma design with a couple of clicks. Let's say you have any design, you want to screens of that particular website into your Figma file. So you will just get those files in just one click. Imagine converting any website to design. This is a reverse process actually, and using that website as a component for your further designs. So isn't it interesting? And the ninth one is Figmoji. Figmoji is an emoji library pack that has a lot of emojis. Simply select the emojis if you want, and Figmoji will add SVG and selected emoji, SVG of the selected emoji. So basically Figmoji lets you get all the SVG file of your favorite emojis you want to use for your designs. Now coming to the 10th one and the last one, Icon Resizer. So importing a bunch of icons and resizing them manually is very long procedure. Okay, so but you can resize all the icons which are selected with the single click. If this happens, isn't interesting? So this plugin is really helpful when you are importing lot of icons and resizing them. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and this is a useful video to you. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up. Also hit the bell icon and comment below that which plugin you like the most. So definitely I will looking forward to the comments. Thank you so much.